So here is the third slow city, Akiaka. So this city located at the middle of the jungle and exactly next to the sea. So I'm going first to show you the jungle. So this is the camping area. At the back it has the toilet for changing clothes, and if people go to swimming they can take shower. And it has park, it has a market, everything. So if you come here and camp, you somehow don't need to go out of this area. I think you should pay something like last year it was something like $5 each day you should pay for tent. They also rent a tent if you don't have, but I don't know the price of renting a tent. It shouldn't be that expensive also. So I'm not going to continue this way. It's actually so busy. I expected it to be more quiet, but everyone plays some music and yeah, it's just this. It's a jungle with camping area. Let's go to the beach. So it was dead end and I couldn't go there. I think I went to the wrong way. I'm trying to find the other way. So I think it should be this one. I wish I don't go down and again have to come back because it was a long way, but I try. So yes, it's the right way, and I'm next to the beach, and I wish I had my swimwear and I could jump into the water because weather is hot. These entrances are so interesting. Look, like this, and then you go down. So just for you know which way we came, we start from there, exactly that house is at the top. Then I walked that jungle, and that's the place that I came down to the beach, and then we walked that restaurant till here, and then we continue around the whole beach, and then we will go to the city. So it's still a spring, but it seems that This year summer start soon. I am all sweat. I couldn't go to other side. I really cannot breathe. I should sit somewhere, drink something, chill a bit, and then let's see. So 3 hours walking in daytime here made me really tired, and it was so hot. So I went home, rest, and it's evening. I came out again to show you the city of Akiaka. It's really small actually, but it's worth to see. So let's see. And here is part of the city, by the way. So there are 2 main rules for making houses here. First, they shouldn't be more than 2 floors, and as you see, all the houses here are just 2 floors. And another one, they have to use wood in their design, and all of them use it, and it's super beautiful actually. I just wanted to take video of city, but I passed from the river, and here is so beautiful. I wanted to show you this area. It was Akyaka. It's finished, and yeah, it's so beautiful. Really love the city. I wish you enjoyed.